Hello everyone, welcome to Numerical series of electronics device. And today our number problem is a silicon transistor is in C, that is common emitter configuration is shown in the figure. Determine IB, IC, IE, BCE and Q point. This is the circuit diagram. Applying KVL in the input loop. VCC equal to IB, RB plus BB. Then from here we can get the value of IB, putting the value of BCC, BBB and RB. Then you can get 30 microampere. Again we know IC equal to beta IB plus beta plus 1 IC BO, that is 100 into 30 into 10 minus 3 plus 0. BCB is very small, so sorry, ICB is very small, so ICB equal to 0. This portion is 0, this is 0, so it makes this portion 0. A 3 milliampere. Again apply KVL in the output loops, gives BCC equal to IC RC plus BCE. Then we can get BC equal to, we have BCC equal to 12, that is 12 into 2 into 3, that is 12 minus 2 into 3, that is 6 volt. Thus Q point is BCQ and ICQ equal to 6 volt and 3 milliampere. Since BCQ is positive and BCE is greater than 1, the transistor operates in active region.